Welcome back. Today, in this tutorial, I want to present basic operation of computer systems. Part 4, Proof and Tube. Basic operation of computer systems. Simply put, computer operation means whatever instruction you give to the computer system, that then the computer system execute your instruction. There are 5 basic computer operations. The first one, inputting, processing, outputting, storing, controlling. What is inputting? Simply put, inputting is processing by which a user enters any type of data into a computer system. Inputting is the first basic operation of computer system. Input devices are used to provide information to the computer. For example, your mouse or keyboard may be an input device. See this screen, this image. Input device of computer, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and others. You can also use camera to take picture or video and then upload them to your PC. The keyboard is an example of an input device. Notice you cannot enter any type of data into the computer without the use of input device because we cannot communicate with this computer or computer machines without any input device. Uh, Processing. Processing is the second basic operation of computer systems. In simple language, the processing means when the computer system start execution, the instruction given by the user, then this process is called processing. The processor is the component of computer that does most of the work in terms of processing. It is responsible for running program and carry out instruction from the user. The processor reads and writes information to and from the hardware disk type of storage device and sends message to another component in the computer like the monitor, mouse or keyboard. Outputting. Outputting is the third basic operation of computer. In simple language, outputting means the result of instruction given by user is called output. Whatever input is given by user computer, then the output result of that input is outputting. Output device. Input-output devices are responsible for the computer interaction within physical world. They are responsible for responding to your commands and providing feedback. The computer needs this component to provide output, which is information that comes out of the system. Notes: without using an output device, you cannot get the output result of any input data. You have to use an output device to get the output results. Output device of computer are monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, projector, and others. Storing. Storing is the fourth basic operation of computer system. In simple language, storing means the output result that come after executing the instruction given by user, and storing that output result is called storing. The CPU is responsible for storing data in your computer memory, which is where the data is stored when you type into a Word document or open an image. The CPU processes this data to make it easier to retrieve. Processors are the components that are responsible for executing applications that are stored in your computer memory. This process can be found on the motherboard and can vary depending on PC specifications. Hard disk drive, floppy disks, tapes, compact disk, DVD, and EEPROM are examples of Storage device of computer are ROM, RAM, H hard disk drive, SSD. Controlling. Controlling is the fifth basic operation of computers. Controlling means the combination of all computer operations. Controlling is type of process that monitors the instruction given by the users from the time it is executed to output results. This process itself is called controlling. It's simply language. Monitoring means monitoring which device is doing its work or not. In basic computer system, the monitoring work is done by ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. I hope you understand this tutorials. Example of controlling. Example of controlling is computer mouse. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe our channels and let's see to another